What if I told you there is a natural, effective way to maintain a clean oven with minimal effort? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your oven safely using just a few simple non-toxic ingredients, and how to make the cleaning process more manageable and less daunting. To give you a better idea of how much time you'll need to invest, I've broken down the estimated time required for each step. Remember, these times are approximate and exclude any waiting periods, such as soaking the oven racks or letting the baking soda paste sit. My goal is to make this process as efficient as possible, so you can enjoy a clean oven with minimal effort. In this tutorial, we'll be using cleaning agents and tools that are gentle and safe for most oven surfaces. However, it's important to remember to always read and follow the instruction manual for your specific oven model before using any cleaning products or tools, because some chemicals and abrasive tools can cause damage to your oven and may even void your warranty, so it's best to check the manufacturer's guidelines first. First, let's gather all the supplies we'll need. For this cleaning method, we'll use baking soda, eco dishwash liquid, white distilled vinegar, a microfiber cloth, a brass scourer, a non-scratch sisal fiber scouring pad, a stainless steel scraper, and gloves. You might also want to use an old toothbrush for detail cleaning. This is particularly helpful for cleaning around hinges, seams, and the edges of the oven door. The reason I will be using gloves is that acids, even mild ones like white vinegar, strip the natural oils from your skin, leading to dryness and potentially causing your skin to crack or become rough. Let's look at the before. Step 2 is to make a baking soda paste. Baking soda is a natural abrasive that will help lift off the baked-on gunk inside your oven. Mix about a cup of baking soda with a teaspoon of dishwashing liquid and a little bit of water until you get a spreadable paste. I prefer the mixture to be on the runny side. Next, we will remove the oven rails and racks. Fill your sink with warm water, add a little bit of dishwashing liquid and a half a cup of baking soda. For enhanced cleaning, you can add hot boiling water. Let the rails soak while we move on to the inside of the oven. The exact soaking time needed can vary based on how dirty the racks are. If your oven rails and racks have a light to moderate amount of grease and grime, soaking them for 2 to 3 hours should be sufficient. For rails and racks with heavy baked-on grease and grime, you might want to soak them for up to 6 hours or even overnight. Now apply the baking soda paste to the interior surface of your oven. Be sure to avoid the heating elements. The paste should be thick enough to stick to the sides and bottom of the oven. For the dirtiest or greasiest spots, apply a generous amount. Let this sit for up to 12 hours. Overnight is great. The baking soda will work its magic, loosening up the grime. The more built up there is, the longer you'll need to soak. Baking soda is an effective cleaning agent due to its chemical properties. The reason it's working because it's a mildly alkaline substance with a pH of around 9. Alkaline substances are effective at breaking down acidic compounds. Grease and grime are often composed of fatty acids. The alkalinity of baking soda helps to neutralize these acids, breaking them down into simpler water-soluble molecules. This process makes it easier to wash away the grease and grime. Baking soda is also a mildly abrasive substance. When used as a paste, its fine particles can scrub away dirt, grime, and grease from surfaces without scratching them. After the baking soda has had time to sit, it's time to get scrubbing. I left the paste to work overnight. Here's my oven in the morning. This step might require 10 to 30 minutes depending on the amount of build-up and type of grime. Baked-on food residues and carbonized grease will require more scrubbing and scraping. As you can see, I'm using a non-scratch sisal fiber pad first. I also had to use the stainless steel scraper for the stubborn spot. Use the scraper for tackling particularly stubborn spots and baked-on residues that don't come off easily with a sponge or brush. Apply gentle pressure to avoid scratching the oven surface, especially if it's coated or enamel. My oven is enamel coated. Check your oven's instruction manual to see if you can remove your oven door. This will make the cleaning easier. Here's my manual with the steps how to detach the door. It's pretty easy and straightforward. I just need to fold up the two locking levers on the left and right, close the oven door as far as the limit stop, and pull it out. I will clean the oven glass first using non-scratch sisal pad. Important, don't use brass scourer for the glass, it will scratch the surface. And I will wipe it off with a microfiber cloth afterwards. Let's move on to the interior of the oven. Use a brass scourer to gently scrub off the grime. The brass scourer is tough on grime but gentle enough not to damage your oven. I'm using a brass scourer on my oven because it's softer and less abrasive than stainless steel. However, if you prefer, you can use a stainless steel scourer as well. Just keep in mind you don't need to apply too much pressure while scrubbing. A gentle scrub will do the job just fine. Next, we're going to spray some white vinegar inside the oven. The vinegar will react with any remaining baking soda, creating a fizzy reaction that helps to lift off any leftover grime. Use a non-scratch pad or a brass scourer to gently scrub the surfaces, then wipe everything down with a clean microfiber cloth. When baking soda comes into contact with acids like vinegar or lemon juice, it reacts to form carbon dioxide gas, water and salt. Even though these substances neutralize each other, the fizzing action of the carbon dioxide gas can help to mechanically dislodge dirt and grime from surfaces. For effective cleaning, it's often better to use baking soda and vinegar in sequence rather than mixing them directly. For example, applying baking soda first to scrub and then rinsing with vinegar can maximize the individual cleaning properties without them neutralizing each other too quickly. If you're curious to learn more about white vinegar and want to dive deeper into the science behind it, check out my video on the cleaning power of white vinegar. I break down exactly how it works and why it's so effective for natural cleaning. Don't forget about the oven rack and rails. They've been soaking in the baking soda and dishwash liquid. Use a brass scourer, plastic brush or a sisal fiber pad to scrub off any remaining grime, rinse them thoroughly, and dry them with a microfiber cloth. Then, place the clean racks back into your oven. And there you have it, a sparkling clean oven without using any harsh chemicals. White vinegar and baking soda are powerful natural cleaners that break down grease and grime effectively. Plus, they are safe to use around your home and family because they don't release any harmful fumes and don't leave behind harsh chemicals or residues. As you can see, your total cleaning time can vary anything between 30 and 60 minutes. And this depends mainly on the amount of buildup and type of grime, but also on your preparation. Here are my tips that can help reduce your cleaning time to 30 minutes or less and make the cleaning process more manageable. Number 1, have a cleaning kit with everything you need for the job always on hand. When you need to clean the oven, you just need to grab it. Number 2, regular maintenance. Perform a light cleaning once every month or 2 months, 3 months to prevent heavy buildup. Add this cleaning job into your calendar. Cleaning your oven monthly or every few months and establishing a routine can save you a significant amount of time in the long run. When you clean your oven regularly, you're preventing the buildup of heavy, stubborn grime that requires intensive scrubbing to remove. Instead, by tackling light grime on a monthly basis, you can maintain a cleaner oven with minimal effort. This proactive approach not only reduces the time and effort needed for each cleaning session, but also helps keep your oven functioning efficiently. By investing a small amount of time each month, you can enjoy a consistently clean oven and avoid the stress of a major deep cleaning project. Number 3. By allowing the cleaning solution to sit and penetrate the grime, you significantly reduce the amount of scrubbing needed. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of damaging the oven surface with abrasive tools. If you have a few extra minutes, you can easily clean your range hood filters too. Check out this video where I show you how to do it effortlessly. The baking soda will take care of the hard work for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more natural cleaning tips. See you next time!